Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install the Liberty City map into your FiveM server. So as you can see in front of me over there, the Liberty City island is over there as you can see. So let's go over there. So as you can see over here, this is the whole Liberty City island which is over here as you can see. So as you can see, this is the whole Liberty City island, and over there that is the Los Santos island as you can see over there. You can use this map in QBCore framework, Qbox framework, ESX framework, and in all other custom frameworks. It is the one-time purchase with the lifetime access. You can purchase this map from my Discord store. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to paste the Liberty City Island folder into your FiveM resource folder. After that, you just need to ensure the file into your server.cfg. So that's how you can install the Liberty City Island. So there's a full traffic system over here as you can see. So as you can see over here, this is the Liberty City Island as you can see. So this is the biggest garden of the Liberty City over here as you can see. Let's get to the Times Square over here as you can see. This is the Times Square of our Liberty City as you can see over here. As you can see, and there are much more things which you can explore over here in this map as you can see. So this is the Statue of Liberty of our Liberty City over here as you can see. You can use both Los Santos Island and the Liberty City Island together at the same time over here. And there are much more things which you can explore. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.